Hi friends, this is Sriram here. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Yeah, people might get surprised what he is doing with all the Apple products, right? Yeah, after I moved to US, I want to explore Apple's family as well. That's why I just purchased Apple products from this last Thanksgiving. Now we'll see what are things I purchased, and while till what I moved, it's like I want to explore that Apple family as well. First of all, here ecosystem is very friendly to use, and then all my friends also using. So I thought it's the right time to explore the Apple family. Let's see what are things I have purchased in that Thanksgiving day. Yeah, first is like iPadair 64 GB, and then iPhone 15 Pro Max 256 GB, and then iWatch 9th generation. And then you can see this is not a Apple family, but I just bought it for my video recording and all. Gimbal DJ. Yeah, let's explore one by one what are the products I have purchased. Okay, the first product, let's unbox the iPad together, iPad Air. Yeah, this is what we are going to open. Yeah, it's gray color. We have an iPad Air. Now let's see what are the things inside the box. Designed by Apple California. Let's see what this manual book. You can keep it. And then we have an adapter, and then we have a Type-C cable. Okay, that's it from the box. Oops. Yeah, this is second product, iPhone 15 Pro Max 256 GB. Let's unbox, guys. Yeah, this is what long dream. It's a blue titanium. Okay, let's keep and see what else they have given. They have given a manual and then a Type-C cable. So I have bought an iPad, so I'm going to use the same adapter for this iPhone as well, so I didn't purchase anything extra. Okay, let's see the next product. Yeah, this is the third product, iWatch. Let's open and see. This is a midnight black version. Let's open. Yeah, manual, of course. It's a cable of charging cable, and then we have the watch here. Okay, let's keep it and see what it contains. This one should contain the watch strap. Yes. Yeah. Now this is a strap we're using for the watch. This is the fourth product, DJI Osmo mobile gimbal. Let's open. Oh, okay. This is the mobile. This is a holder. Let's open. The actual gimbal, you can see. Then we have the mobile holder. Yeah, this is a tripod. And what else they have? Let's see. Yeah, they have given a pouch. And they have given a charging cable. Yeah, these are the things they have provided. Okay. Now you can see all the products are set up. iPadair, Apple Watch, and then Apple Mobile, and then gimbal as well. I will do a review for next 1 or 2 months and see how it looks and how it works. I will send out the review once more. Thank you for watching the Life of SR channel, and keep supporting, keep subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much, friends.